Help me out here.
Fine.
Get that body out of the back.
Yes, Chief.
No, we have to find some flamboyant person to kill.
Please, Chief, you won't regret it. What do you think, John?
I'm cool with it. As long as you say it in a creepy voice that would creep out a clown, even though they're already creepy as fuck.
Knock, knock.
Knock, knock, who?
Grim Reaper.
Grim Reaper who?
You look so old I must have forgotten to reap you, but I'm here for you now.
Please don't fuck with me, Alex. I may look young for my age, but you could be the next to die.
Hey, smartass and Alex, let's get to the van. What's not gonna wait for us?
Fine, who's shooting the murder?
Maybe a jogger that's already full pumped with blood.
Let's go one of those people. I can taste the blood in the food.
Shut up, you imbeciles. I see a jogger before me.
Guess what? She'll make a fine pie. I can taste the blood in the food.
What are you gonna do with me? We're gonna hold you for ransom. Really? No, just kidding. We're gonna skin you good and alive. I'm so flat.
Come here, director. Come here! You don't want my oven! Yeah!
Freeze!
It's actually kind of hard to sit. Roll on your side and then sit up. Oh, you've already done this before. Put your knees towards your body.
Honestly,
Put your knees towards your body.
Ready, 1, 2, 3.
Stout. Go.
That hurt my neck.
Sorry, Bill.
Go!
Oh shit. Alright, yeah, I'm fine.
All you. We're gonna go out to dinner right now.
Yeah.